What happens to your body when you take benfotiamine as a supplement? Benfotiamine is a fat-soluble precursor to vitamin B1. Unlike the regular water-soluble B1 that is found in your food, benfotiamine has a special structure that means it can easily move through cell membranes, traveling deeper into the tissues of the body, such as the heart, the red blood cells, the liver, and the nerves. In this video, I will share the powerful health benefits of benfotiamine and also how to use it properly and safely. Benefit number 1 is calming overexcited nerves. When you take benfotiamine as a supplement, your body converts it into thiamine or B1. Vitamin B1 is used by the body to calm overactive nerve signals such as tingling, burning, or prickling sensations in the toes, feet, or hands. The protective coating around your nerves is highly sensitive to the stress of high blood sugar, but benfotiamine helps to nourish this myelin coating, supporting healthy nerve function. Benfotiamine and R-alpha lipoic acid supplements are often used together to support nerve health. Now, the second benefit is raising energy. People with a B1 deficiency often yawn a lot, sigh frequently, and feel very tired. This is because B1 acts like a spark plug in the cells, helping to make ATP, which is cellular energy. Unfortunately for us, alcohol, flour, sugar, caffeine, and stress can all deplete vitamin B1 levels, leaving you feeling run down or exhausted. You can raise vitamin B1 naturally by eating nutritional yeast, organic pork, wild salmon, sunflower seeds, garlic, and mussels, or you can choose to use benfotiamine, which can raise blood thiamine levels around 11.5 times more than regular thiamine. Benefit number 3, healthy heartbeat. Your heart is pumping blood around the body continuously, so it never truly gets to rest. To keep it beating, it uses a massive constant supply of cellular energy, and in order to create this energy, your body needs thiamine or vitamin B1. People who do not have enough of this tend to experience a heavy or a racing heartbeat because the heart is having to work harder to compensate. This is why benfotiamine is such a useful supplement to help replenish the energy for the heart. Coenzyme Q10 is another key nutrient that helps the heart generate enough energy. Benefit number 4 is deep relaxation. As I previously mentioned, regular stress and strong emotions can raise cortisol and deplete vitamin B1 reserves. This can leave your body stuck in the fight or flight mode, where you feel constantly on edge with racing thoughts in the middle of the night when you should be asleep. But because benfotiamine is fat-soluble, it easily enters the brain and the nervous system tissue, helping to nourish the neurons and shift the body out of the survival mode and back into a state of deep relaxation and peace. Taking magnesium glycinate with benfotiamine before bed is a highly effective way to promote sleep and deep relaxation. Benefit number 5 is balanced blood sugar. When you eat starch, carbohydrates, or sugar, they convert into glucose, causing sugar to build up in the bloodstream. When there's too much of this glucose, it can start to weaken the blood vessels and the organs over time. Benfotiamine, however, is highly effective at activating an enzyme called transketolase. This acts like a metabolic switch which tells the body to safely process that sugar, so it can be naturally cleared out to protect your delicate blood vessels against sugar-induced stress. And it also has an effect on supporting fluid balance. When there isn't enough B1 available, free radicals can weaken the blood vessels, allowing excess fluid to cause puffiness in the skin, like the face, ankles, or the lower legs. Benfotiamine and B1, however, help to neutralize these free radicals, helping the blood vessels to stay strong while supporting healthy fluid balance at the same time. And this is also linked in with the kidneys. Your kidneys are filtering and cleaning about 140 to 180 litres of blood every single day, and they're using millions of tiny microscopic filters. These filters, like everything else, are vulnerable to metabolic stress, and they can sometimes get overworked when there is a lot of sugar or glucose in the blood. Now, benfotiamine provides B1, which helps to give energy to those filters, helping them to stay healthy and functioning as they should. N-acetylcysteine also boosts glutathione, the master antioxidant that supports a healthy liver and kidneys. Benefit number 8 is supporting digestion. There is a little muscle at the top of your stomach that opens when you eat to allow food to enter. Normally, this muscle tightens after eating to prevent acid from travelling back up into the esophagus. However, if there isn't enough vitamin B1 because of a high-carb diet, drinking alcohol, or stress, this muscle sometimes stays loose, allowing gastric juices to travel upwards and cause an uncomfortable burning sensation. Benfotiamine supports the nerves that actually control this muscle to help it relax and contract properly. The benefits also extend to healthy nails. You see, the nail matrix is this collection of tiny blood vessels that supply your nails with oxygen and nutrients. If those blood vessels become weaker due to high blood sugar or a B1 deficiency, the keratin in the nails often starts to become brittle, easily broken, or covered in deep vertical ridges. But by increasing B1, benfotiamine supplementation can support the growth of healthy nails, especially when it's combined with biotin and zinc. Benefit 10 protects the eyes. Excess sugar can also bind with protein in your bloodstream, forming these sticky compounds called AGEs. These compounds not only make the arteries and the blood vessels stiffer, but they can also start building up inside the clear lens at the front of your eye. Over time, AGEs cause the proteins inside the lens to clump together, creating a cloudy or a foggy effect that blocks light and dulls your vision. Benfotiamine is highly effective at blocking the formation of these AGEs, supporting sharp, clear vision with age. Your eyes are also an extension of your brain tissue, so we should also talk about the brain in terms of benfotiamine. Your brain uses around 20% of your body's entire energy supply just to function. The hippocampus, for example, is a part of your brain that acts like your internal GPS, helping you to remember locations, routes, or where you placed objects in the world. This region of the brain requires an enormous amount of vitamin B1 to convert glucose into usable fuel. But when B1 levels drop, this GPS can slow down, often leading to brain fog or mild forgetfulness. Because benfotiamine is fat-soluble, it easily crosses the blood-brain barrier, helping to deliver energy to the different regions of the brain in order to support sharp mental clarity and memory. And number 12 is muscle strength. To provide fuel to your muscles, your body uses B1 to convert carbohydrates or protein into energy. But if B1 levels are low, the body converts these carbs into lactic acid, and as it builds up, it causes the muscles to feel very heavy or achy, such as heavy legs when you're climbing stairs, or becoming easily fatigued when you're carrying everyday objects. Benfotiamine provides the exact nutrients needed to help the cells safely clear excess lactic acid, so the muscles can stay energized and strong. This is especially important as you get older. In addition, benfotiamine may also help support the health of the inner ear for maintaining hearing and physical balance. It also supports skin elasticity by helping to protect the collagen against glycation. Benfotiamine and thiamine in general also acts as a buffer to help protect DNA against oxidative stress. Now that you've heard the science, let's take a look at how to use benfotiamine. The standard daily requirement for B1 is very low, usually between 1.1 to 1.2 milligrams per day, just to prevent a severe deficiency. However, for the protective benefits we discussed today, nutritional experts often recommend higher amounts. Most benfotiamine supplements come in doses ranging from 100 to 300 milligrams per capsule, so people often take between 100 to 300 milligrams daily, though some studies use up to 600 milligrams divided throughout the day for maximum nerve support. For the very best results, avoid taking benfotiamine at the same time as drinking coffee, tea, sugar or wine, as these contain compounds that can actively block vitamin B1 absorption. Now, being fat-soluble, benfotiamine is best absorbed when you take it alongside a meal that contains some healthy fats, like eggs, avocados or olive oil for example. It is important to note that benfotiamine is actually a synthetic derivative of vitamin B1. This means that it is created in a lab to change its physical structure, turning it from a water-soluble vitamin into a fat-soluble one. This structural upgrade is exactly what allows it to easily cross cell membranes and reach your deep tissues, nerve and brain. Despite being synthetic, it has an incredibly high safety profile. Once it gets inside the cells, your body converts it back into the active vitamin B1. It uses exactly what it needs for energy and safely flushes any excess out through the urine. There is also another fat-soluble form called TTFD or allithiamine, which is found naturally in garlic. This is exceptionally good at crossing the blood-brain barrier. It's also very important that you do not forget about magnesium. Even if you take the highest quality benfotiamine, your body cannot actually use it without one essential mineral, magnesium. Magnesium basically acts like the key in the ignition. It is required by your cells to convert benfotiamine into its final active form called TPP. But if you're low in magnesium, the benfotiamine cannot activate your metabolic enzymes properly. This is why many nutritional experts recommend taking a high-quality magnesium, such as magnesium glycinate, alongside your benfotiamine for maximum absorption and energy. I'm Ryan, a certified nutritionist. Thank you so much for watching another of my videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.